Okay guys, 2018 Subaru Outback 3.6R Limited. Sends you from Real Deal Auto. Trade-in, clean title. Does have the hitch here in the back. V6 motor. Three keys. So 163, 378 on the miles. Does have the Eyesite, heated seats, Apple CarPlay. All your different options here. Your X mode. Here's your Eyesite controls, sunroof. Harman and Kardon sound system. Touch-up paint, all your manuals. Memory seats. Automatic windows. Blind spot, lane assist. All weather floor mats. The seat does have, that's why we got the seat covers on there. Here's your VIN number. This is just a hitch, plug. All your tools and jack. In 2018 Subaru Outback 3.6R Limited. Presents you from Real Deal Auto, clean title. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.